Hey coffee lovers, Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com, and today I'm here unboxing the MDH grinder from Nuova Simonelli. Let's get started. All right, let's break into this. All right, so here's our grinder inside of here. We got our nice base and our hopper. Let's set this on the ground and pull this back up. All right, so here's everything that comes in the package. We've got our nice manual and our warranty certificate. All right, so here it is out of all of that packaging. This is the MDH grinder from Nuova Simonelli. We've got a really nice modular, almost Art Deco design going on here, which I'm a major fan of this whole design here. I think it might actually be the biggest draw toward this grinder for me because otherwise it's a pretty simple grinder. It's got 50mm flat steel burrs, 260 watt motor at 110 to 120 volts. We have this nice portafilter holder down here that's adjustable so you can raise it up and down to do hands-free grinding. We have your stepless micrometric adjustment on the side here, and it does have numbers on that dial to help you dial in. On the bottom, we have that switch here that powers it on and off. Another switch allowing you to do a manual dosing mode where you can do continuous dosing. And beside that is the dial switch to control your timed dosing. Overall, just a really simple, sleek design. A 1.5 pound hopper up top here, which is really nice. A screw on the back to hold it into place, and a paddle here that you can open and close to control the flow of beans. Really just a nice, simple, futuristic looking grinder. I think it's really nice, really sleek. Mostly going to be used for a home, office, or very small volume cafe. This grinder does have some silencing technology built in from Nuova Simonelli, so it should be relatively quiet for you. So there's just a little bit about the MDH grinder, what it looks like pulling it straight out of the box. Stay tuned for many more videos coming at you with grinders like the MDH from Nuova Simonelli and many more. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment any questions you may have, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. After that, head to MajestyCoffee.com to score some awesome deals on grinders like the MDH and many more. Our customer support team is standing by to help you make the right decision. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you next time.